In this video, I will teach you how to create a YouTube playlist and add videos to it. Go to www.youtube.com. This will open your YouTube homepage if you are already logged in. Click the search bar, it's at the top of the YouTube page. Type in a video's name, then press enter. Click a video that you want to add to your playlist. This video will begin to play. Click the Add to or Save button. It's the plus icon below the bottom right corner of the video window. A drop-down menu will appear. Then click Create New Playlist. Click the Name text field, then type in your playlist name. Click the Privacy drop-down box, then click on the one of the following: Public, Unlisted, or Private. Click Create. Add more videos to the playlist. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.